Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Instagram feed to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and go to Shopify admin page. Then click on the apps button. After clicking apps, click on customize your store button, which is on the upper right corner of the page. Now on the search bar, write Insta feed, search for InstaFeed and then download the app. After downloading the app, log into your Insta account and then click on Connect to Insta account button. After that, click on Allow button. Now you have to fill the form according to your requirement and click on the Save button. After that, click on the Online Store button on your Shopify admin page and click on the Customize button. Now a bar will appear on the left corner in which you have to click Add Section. After clicking on Add Section button, scroll down and click on Insta Feed and then click on the Save button. After that, go to your website page, reload it and scroll down. You will see the Insta Feed. So that's how you will add Insta Feed to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.